My name is with Roshan Golkar. My name is Thirsty Crow. One hot day, Crow was very thirsty. He looked water here and there. But
Bird.
but
पुढचं bird.
but he could not find it. After a long time, he saw a pot. But there